this curry with the tomato and the cucumber. This definitely does not look enticing, but we'll see. This looks alright. Could be more saucy, but again, this is just off look. Haven't tasted anything yet.
Belly full but not hungry.
Hey guys, so we're at the store.
Pizza ready.
Yeah.
I got full my belly. And then I drink some jelly.
Hey.
Eat pizza and the thing well steady. Drive up on the road about 2:30. Get the pizza, then come in early. And now me and my wife I got sampling. One. Once some yammins and jammins, you can call me the damage.
I can't talk.
Sorry, I must apologize.
But guys, I've been seen on TikTok and I also saw it on a YouTube. No, on their Instagram page. There's this place in Charlotte, North Carolina called Ronaldo's Culinary Experience.
Ronaldo's Culinary Experience.
And so today we are giving it a try. We have oxtail pizza.
Oh Lord!
And babe decides say he want to try the curry pizza.
Because my wife loves curry. So I'm saying, hey, let's try the curry chicken pizza. It's on me. Don't worry about it. I got you, baby. You know what I mean?
Guys, I'm not name curry from people like that. Babe, not like that. Like only
you know what I God, I know there's people that must say, I gotta say it to you.
Babe, so who me eat from?
You know why I'm start name them out.
Babe, come at a review. Babe, me not near me. Only from people who me know and comfortable with.
What?
And places where I trust.
So you trust everywhere?
Oh, we want to tell them how the place it look, or we don't want. We're not going to.
Yo, no. A review is a review. The place wasn't up to standard. When
it looked dirty. Hygiene, they had like rugs and wet rugs on the floor. It was dirty. But me almost nobody wanted the pizza, but I was like, you know what? Say we be able to. Oh, but I would say we just have to pray. We have to pray before we eat.
Yeah. Bow your head. Rebe ba 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 ba.
Stop. Anyways, guys, let's get into the review. Stay with us.
We'll be right back.
No, we're gonna try together at the same time, and then we're gonna give it a rating out of 10.
All right, cool, no problem.
I'm not a fan of peppers, but maybe I should take this off. All right. Cheers. Come on.
All right, let's go. What are the taste? What taste?
Okay. I will say. Based on the reviews I've seen, like 10 out of 10.
4.
I'll give it about a 5. It's definitely not a wow, but it's not terrible. Like, I'll be good with this, and I would want it more.
Yeah, I was expecting Oxtail.
New York is better. The one that we had in New York.
This no. Oh, this is not it.
I think orange is a little burnt too. It's tough. I don't know if it was a bad day or what, but
yeah, it's not that good.
Uh-huh.
But you can try it. Maybe it's a chef. Maybe the chef was having a bad day.
Well,
so you guys can try it.
It's a 5 out of 10 for me.
4 for me. So you can go ahead.
I'm definitely. We're just not looking forward to this one.
Maybe it's better. Maybe we'll see. Curry's your favorite. So we have the tomato, cucumber, small diced parsley.
First of all, curry not cooked properly will hurt your stomach.
Yeah, that's true. And curry and ketchup, tomato.
I mean, some people put ketchup on their curry though, but not us.
All right.
Oh, why it smells like pesto is on it?
Onion pesto.
So this one doesn't look as burnt. So I think the other one is definitely burnt.
That's right.
Try it. There's that. That's it.
Nah, man. I'm good, baby. I'm good. I'm good.
Babe, what's the point? Babe. It's a review.
Yeah, you did it. See, you. Bro, listen.
Maybe it's me. Maybe it's just me though. No, babe, come on. Give your honest review. Don't go off of mine.
Your review is my review.
Come. Try it now. The bullshit. This is a 0 out of 10 for me.
Then put sugar.
It tastes like sugar, isn't it? Or maybe it's like pickled onions or something. It's a no. The oxtail is better, for sure. But this is a waste of. Total, this was $43. No, it was $43. Yeah. All right, guys, that's our honest review.
Oh, got me young.
I can't believe this is what people have been raving about.
Welcome to Jamaica.
All right, guys. So we warmed it up a little bit to see if that made a difference because it was a little bit cold.
Not a backside difference. No different. No nice.
No, get a little drag.
A drag a pay for $40. Jesus. Taste one. It tastes more thing than now, you know? Like it have more. It have more nothing. More nothing, babes. More nothing.
This tastes like.
You've ever had
It's like dish soap.
Hot chalala.
These are the worst tasting pizza I've ever had in my entire life.
This is better.
No, the oxtail tasted better, a little bit better warm. So would you change your score?
4.5. I mean, I change my score for this too. -1. -1. Yeah, but not nice, you know. America is the land of the return. You know what I care about?
Oh.
I we drove what?
What's that? 30
minutes to the place because there was traffic. And it took us like 23 minutes, 24 minutes to get back. Madness.
They should never left a store. I don't recommend them.
It's crazy.
Not to knock anybody. Don't recommend. All right. So all in all, babe. Where's song for the old? Where we are left with?
Oh, bum. Yo.
Oh my God, guys. When I say $43 gonna look into because I think the oxtail is okay enough. I will finish it.
Yeah, the oxtail is about 4.5.
As for this madness, I'm a sure no good you know. Cucumber to be. Guys, what take up ourselves? It smells, and I hate pesto, and it smells like pesto.
You know what the problem is?
Everything.
I'm gonna tell you.
What do you mean? Everything is the problem?
I'm gonna tell you my youth. I think.
Damn, guys. And I don't want to bash the place, but come on.
No, man.
You can't tag Jamaica to I feel like if you're gonna use don't just use the Jamaica brand for sell your stuff. Like if you're gonna do it good.
This is already known to all my youth. This is already, bro. You come like I said, the curry chicken, a chicken breast them use, right?
Yeah.
You come like them cook it on the pizza. This not already my youth.
Yeah, like the curry not even look like this look like a curry powder, guys. And it look like curry powder.
Yo, that's not ready, bro.
Yeah. When you're enough.
When you enough. I mean, when you are enough.
No, guys, because you're not, guys. You're not where when everybody are
first of all,
over something. First of all, I'm gonna try.
Wait, well, first of all, I said to my wife, honey, let's go to the place and stuff so we can just order it and let's go. When she called, they said that in 12 minutes time it's gonna be ready. I'm like, 12 minutes.
But to be fair, they were ready when we go.
Well, the Oxtail was already when we went.
Yeah, true.
12 minutes. I'm like, okay. And then to add onto that, when I said, okay, hon, what time was supposed to leave out and stuff? When she check it, 30 minutes away from my house, I'm like, yo, bro, I'm not drive them distance for food, bro. I drive them distance and I got work. But I'm getting the mola.
And the smell, guys?
No, it don't smell good. It don't smell good. It don't look presentable.
It's because them just throw on the... That's on the... Yeah,
Rocky box.
Guys, and you can say, true Jamaicans, you can see for yourself that, hey, and, some may be offended, but the truth is the truth. This is not good. It's terrible. The Oxtail, like I said, I gave it a 5 out of 10. It's doable. Wouldn't buy it again. Wouldn't go back there. But
yeah, there you go.
Guys, thanks for sticking with us.
Thank you guys so much. It is what it is. Anybody who I cook this evening, I don't feel like somebody I don't want to invite me over.
This was supposed to be our dinner. But I forgot my plan B because.
You have plan B?
Yeah. Never.
So I'm going to love it,
Yeah. Alright guys. Bye.
Look more.